Hey and welcome to module 4.6, install the customer chat widget. Now imagine Messenger on your desktop or on your phone, but then on your website. You can actually set up a customer chat widget that allows you to embed the entire Messenger experience with all the chatbot functionality of both Messenger and Clever Messenger onto your website. A lot of people inside Clever Messenger are using this to streamline their customer support service. However, we are going to demonstrate how you can actually use this in generating leads as well. Super cool stuff, a very nifty tool, and a must-have, basically adding that chatbot to your website and its pages. So without further ado, let's hop in right away. And just like that, we're inside Clever Messenger again, and in this short little video you are going to see how easy it is to set up a customer chat widget on your website. Now in this video we are going to do it a little bit different. We are actually going to set up a customer chat widget on this page and on this page, both serving a different purpose. Now, all you need to do in order to start the setup of setting up a customer chat widget is clicking on the cogwheel right there, navigating to dashboard, going to the magnet icon right here, and click on customer chat. This redirects us to the customer chat library, and this table right here can hold as many customer chat widgets as you wish. Now, in order to start and create a new customer chat right now, I need to click on create new, and I'm going to call this customer chat widget number 1. From there, I click on confirm, and this actually redirects us to the builder. And as you can see, it's quite similar to the builders you have seen so far, in the sense that it uses the same setup as the send to messenger button widget overlays and the checkbox plugin. Right now, we're just going to head in right away and navigate through the settings. I'm going to leave the language at English. Now I'm going to add a tag right here. So whenever a visitor clicks on the customer chat widget and interacts with it, a tag is added. And in this case, I'm going to add the tag clicked customer chat widget sign up page. Now in this setup, we can actually forward any URL parameters as custom fields as well. But again, this is a little bit more advanced and we really don't need it for this setup. So we're going to leave it at blank. We are now navigating to the display options right here, which are already set up perfectly by default. We want to display the widget immediately and at every visit. And we want to display the widget on both mobile and desktop. Now that's all there is to it. Now we navigate to looks. And right here, I'm just going to leave everything at the default setup right now. I can actually choose to change the color though. Let me just show you. You can see right here. I do like the blue we have, so I'm going to go ahead with that one. There we go, that's the one. And I do want to set up a greeting message for both logged in users and non-logged in users. But to make my life easier, I'm going to use the exact same message. So let's say, then I am going to navigate to the submitted tab. And by all means, if you need to check things out, you simply click on the customer chat widget right here and you see how it actually looks. Right now, I'm going to simply move ahead with this setup right here, and I'm going to choose for this customer chat widget the flow that is asking for an email address. There we go. What we can do is we can actually send the flow once per user. However, we want to keep things simple and we want to make sure that the flow actually triggers each and every time a user interacts with the widget. And that's why we are leaving this box unchecked. Now, all there is to it is going to the install tab right here and saving it. This is basically the entire setup for this particular customer chat widget. And we need to add the customer chat widget code. Again, place this code snippet anywhere on the page, but preferably right before closing the body tag. Now we are going to place it in just a bit over at the WordPress blog in the same location where you have seen us put the checkbox plugin script as well. But again, in this short little video, we are not going to demonstrate that. If you want to know that location, just go back to the previous video and this is exactly where we are going to add this script as well. I mentioned that I'm going to create 2 customer chat widgets, both for this page and this page. Now we have just created one for this page. Now I want to go over and create this one right here. So I'm going to click on save right here, make sure that it's saved, go back to the customer chat library, and I'm going to duplicate this one. There we go. Right now I want to change the name. And I've chosen to go with the customer chat widget number 2 as a new name. I'm going to click on confirm and I'm going to edit this specific widget. Now I'm going to change a couple of things right here. For example, click customer chat widget download. So I know that they clicked that specific widget that belongs to this page. Then I'm simply going over right here, check out my settings, go to looks, seems about right. And let's just change this thing here as well. Then we are going to move to the submitted tab and we are going to choose a different flow. We are going to choose the download free reports in this case, which is the flow that actually delivers the free reports we are actually offering on this page right here. I'm moving back. Again, I'm going to leave this box unticked, going to the install tab and save it. So right now I'm going to go to my second screen and actually set up the widgets on the respective pages. Cool. And in the meantime, I've just placed both the snippets of code right here on this page and on this page. So let me just refresh this page so that you can see how it actually looks like. And there we go. The widget already pops up and it says right there, hey, I got something cool for you. So I'm going to continue as myself right here. There we go. So once they actually interact with this widget, they automatically become a subscriber in Messenger. Now you have all those functionalities as well. For example, you have the main menu right here too. We can send attachments to this particular chat, which will show inside the live chat inside Clever Messenger. Now what's cool is that we also have this set up in this widget right here. And they can actually use this widget as well to get to their downloads. For example, they don't necessarily have to click on their download now buttons right here, but they can also continue as themselves right here from this page and automatically get those lead magnets inside this conversation right here in the customer chat widget. Again, a very, very cool and lucrative way to add a customer chat widget to your pages and your website. A way for your visitors, your customers to interact with you live through the Facebook live chat, which actually is visible inside the Clever Messenger live chat as well. But perhaps more important, the moment they actually interact with your widget, they become a subscriber, giving you an additional way to capture those people inside Messenger and do with them as you see fit, like generating their email addresses or making a sale inside the Messenger conversation.